12 tenses in English. Simple present I do. Present continuous I am doing. Present perfect I have done. Present perfect continuous I have been doing. Simple past I did. Past continuous I was doing. Past perfect I had done. Past perfect continuous I had been doing. Simple future I will do. Future continuous I will be doing. Future perfect I will have done. Future perfect continuous I will have been doing. Thank you.